Second in English, lecture number 37, topic Goodbye Mr. Chips. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you second year class? I hope you will be fine with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and enjoying a safe and sound health, and I pray to Allah to protect all of you from all kinds of worries. Ameen. Let's start our today's lecture beta, and I say welcome to all of you in my class. Dear students, as you know that we were studying our chapter number 6 of Goodbye Mr. Chips, and in previous lecture we studied that how Catherine, she influenced on Mr. Chips and how she was succeeded to change him. कैसे उसने उसको change कर दिया, and what kind of changes did she bring in Brookfield. और बेटा ब्रुकफील्ड में उसने किस किस्म की चेंजेस जो थी वो लेके आई. सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Rather to her surprise, he gave way and suddenly became a keen advocate of the proposal. बेटा आपको याद होगा कि previous lecture में हमने पढ़ा था कि कैथरीन जो है she proposed that a team of you can say slum, ठीक है, जो स्लम की टीम है जो कि मिशनरीज थे मिशनरी स्कूल में से, तो कहते हैं कि उसमें से जो एक मिशनरी है वहाँ से जो एक टीम आए, ठीक है, सो दैट इट मे प्ले विद द टीम ऑफ ब्रुकफील्ड की टीम के साथ खेले, बिकॉज शी वांटेड टू हैव इंटरेक्शन, ठीक है, इंटरेक्शन चाहती थी क्योंकि दैट स्लम वाज आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ you can say England, and she wanted that they should meet and there should be and more students they should come from such areas to Brookfield के Brookfield में ऐसे एरिया से भी बच्चे लाजमी आए, ठीक है. ओके. रादर टू हर सरप्राइज ही गेव वे, कहते कि वो बहुत सरप्राइज हुई, बहुत हैरान हुई. व्हेन ही गेव वे, गेव में मीन कि वो उसने उसका जो है वो प्रपोजल तस्लीम कर लिया. एंड सडनली बिकेम अ कीन एडवोकेट ऑफ द प्रपोजल, और जल्द ही उस प्रपोजल का जो कि उसने सजेशन दी थी बेटा उसका कीन एडवोकेट मीन सपोर्टर, बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसका जो है ना ज़बरदस्त सपोर्टर बन गया. एंड द वॉल्टर फास्ट वाज सो कम्प्लीट, और बेटा वॉल्टर फास्ट मीन इसका क्या मीनिंग है, कम्प्लीट चेंज ऑफ एटीट्यूड और ओपिनियन. और बेटा जो एटीट्यूड में चेंजिंग थी या ओपिनियन में चेंजिंग थी, इट वाज सो कम्प्लीट, इतनी ज़बरदस्त थी दैट the authorities were taken unaware and found themselves consenting to the dangerous experiments. के इससे क्या हुआ बेटा, that the authorities were taken unaware, के जो authorities थी बेटा उनको they have to admit, ठीक है. टेकन अनअवेयर इसका वैसे तो अगर हम उर्दू में ट्रांसलेशन करें तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि बेखबरी में उनको जो है वो धर लिया गया या बेखबरी में उन पर काबू पा लिया गया. तो लेकिन बेटा इसका इस तरह से मीनिंग नहीं बनता. इट्स मीन दे admitted the proposal of Mr. Chips, ठीक है. और उसका क्या रिजल्ट निकला, and found themselves consenting to the dangerous experiment. और consenting मीन कि उन्होंने क्या किया बेटा कि they given the proposal, उसको जो प्रपोजल का जो बेटा उन्होंने जो है वो उसको ऑर्डर्स कर दिए, इशू कर दिए दैट इट इज़ बीइंग एडमिटेड, ठीक है. उसको एडमिट कर लिया उन्होंने और जो है वो उस एक्सपेरिमेंट को करने के लिए रेडी होगी. ओके. So next, the boys from Popular arrived at Brookfield on one Saturday afternoon. तो बेटा वो पॉपुलर बॉयज़, पॉपुलर मैंने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में बताया था कि पॉपुलर इन द एरिया वेयर दोज बॉयज़ लिव्ड देवर पॉपुलर ट्रीज वर इन अ लार्ज नंबर, दैट्स वाई दे वर कॉल्ड पॉपुलर बॉयज़. ओके. Arrived at Brookfield on Saturday afternoon, played soccer with the school's second team. और बेटा स्कूल की जो सेकंड टीम थी, ठीक है, उनके साथ उन्होंने फुटबॉल का मैच खेला. Were honorably defeated by 7 goals to 5. तो बेटा उनको जो है वो 5 के मुकाबले में 7 गोलों से शिकस्त हुई. मीन टू से कि they scored 5 goals and the Brookfield team they scored 7 goals. Okay, and later had high tea with the school team in the dining hall. बेटा उन्होंने डाइनिंग हॉल में स्कूल टीम के साथ they had you can say light meal, थोड़ा हल्का फुल्का खाना खाया. They then met the head and were shown over the school. Then they were met by the head से मिले and they were shown to the school, उनको स्कूल दिखाया गया. And Chips saw them off at the railway station in the evening. बेटा चिप्स ने he said them goodbye at the railway station in the evening. Everything had passed without the slightest hitch of any kind. Okay बेटा, slightest mean small, little, and hitch mean hindrance या delay या obstacle. तो बेटा जैसे they were thinking that maybe there would be a great mess or there would be quarrel among the boys, so it won't happen anything like that. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा, ठीक है. Everything got very smoothly, बहुत ही smoothly बेटा हर चीज़ गई, and it was a very happy event as well, ठीक है. So everything had passed without the slightest hitch of any kind, and it was clear that the visitors mean the boys, so and it was clear that the visitors were taking away with them as fine an impression as they had left behind. और बेटा वो ऐसे impression अपने साथ लेके गए जैसे कि उन्होंने पीछे छोड़ा था. Mean to say the Brookfieldian, they also got impressed by the behavior, by the attitude, and by the way they played. They were a lot of you can say impressed by those boys. So in the same way, the popular boys, they were also impressed by the attitude of Brookfieldian. So it was a very friendly match as well. ठीक है बेटा. They took back with them also the memory of a charming woman who had met them and talked to them for once years later. Okay बेटा, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? They took back with them also the memory of a charming mean attractive. So अपने साथ वो जहाँ भी बेटा memories लेके गए, उन memories में there was the memory of you can say Catherine Bridges as well, and also of course we know that she was quite beautiful and attractive. So कहते हैं कि उनकी यादों में जो एक याद थी, it was of Catherine Bridges who had met them जो उनसे मिली and talked to them. She also talked to them for once years later. तो कहते हैं कई एक मरतबा कई सालों बाद during the war, a private station at a big military camp near Brookfield called on chiefs and said a private station, private mean बेटा soldier का हम कह सकते हैं, ठीक है, सिपाही जो होते हैं, अफसर जो होते हैं, and station mean you can say posted. तो बेटा जो एक अफसर था, मीन टू से जो एक फौज का अफसर था बेटा, उसको जो है वो he was posted at a big military camp near Brookfield. तो बेटा ब्रुकफील्ड के करीब एक मिलिट्री कैंप था, वहाँ पे he was posted, वहाँ पे उसकी पोस्टिंग हो गई थी. Called on Chips and he came to meet Mr. Chips and said he had been one of the first visiting team, and he told Mr. Chips that he was the part of the very first visiting team of Brookfield. ठीक है. So Chips gave him tea and chatted with him. Chips ने उसको चाय दी, उसके साथ बातचीत की. Till at length mean in the end, आखिरकार shaking hands, हाथ मिलाते हुए, the man said, तो उस आदमी ने क्या कहा, उस ऑफिसर ने क्या कहा बेटा, and asked the missus, sir, I remember her very well. कहते कि how is your missus? Missus mean how is Miss Catherine Bridges, वो कैसी हैं? I remember her very well, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से याद है. Do you? Chips answered eagerly. Do you remember her? कहते कि आपको वो याद है, क्या तुम्हें वाकई वो याद है? So it's been a long years ago that Catherine Bridges died. ठीक है ना. तो she got surprised because she was not remembered by the faculty of the Brookfield and even by the boys. क्योंकि बेटा हर टर्म में, हर ईयर में जो है वो न्यू बॉयज़ दे वर कमिंग एंड न्यू टीचर्स एज वेल. सो पीपल दे फॉरगेट कैथरीन ब्रिजेस, बट इट वाज ओनली मिस्टर चिप्स in whose memories Catherine was living. She was alive in his memory. ठीक है बेटा. So he got very much surprised when the officer he told him that he had remembered his Catherine Bridges. ठीक है बेटा. So this was the lesson, this was the text that I taught you today. And बेटा if you found any problem, ठीक है, अगर कोई मसला है, you can ask me. I am here for solving your problems, and I hope you have well understood. And beta what you have to do, you can still prepare its similar meanings that I am telling you side by side, and also you will prepare its question answers beta. ठीक है. There are a lot of question answers. For this purpose you can read the lesson, the text very minutely. ठीक है बेटा. आपने इसको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से रीड आउट करना है, so that you may be able to answer any question that is asked by your examiner. ठीक है बेटा. So for this purpose, well, read your text very well and read it at least 4 to 5 times. ठीक है बेटा, so that you should remember that what was happening in that particular chapter. ठीक है बेटा, so remember me in your prayers. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.